Welcome! Today I will show you a couple camera tricks that you can use with your Xiaomi Black Shark 4. So at the first I will talk about the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will show you a couple tricks that we can use in the normal photo mode, and also I will show you the additional modes that you can find in the more modes in this place. Take a look right here. So as I said before, let's start from opening the settings. So we have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the right upper corner, and when we are here we can finally pick settings. So at the first we can get the watermark on our photos. It's turned on as a default. We can add the timestamp on the photos. It will add the time and the date stamp, and we can also custom watermark. So you can type here whatever you want, and take a look right now. I'm going to take photo. Just like that, and as you can see in the left bottom corner we can find a watermark, and on the right bottom corner we can find the date and the time stamp. So let's go back to the settings. Here we can also quickly change picture quality. Of course, in most cases you are staying always with the highest resolution, but if you need to go lower for the standard low, you can also make it very simple. Here we get the volume buttons function. Currently it's set up on the shutter countdown, but we can also change the zoom, volume or shutter. So take a look how it works right now. When I press volume up or volume down button, after 2 seconds the photo will be taken. But when we are going to switch it to the zoom, right now when you press volume up or volume down button, we can smoothly zoom in, as you can see. We can also do the same with master trigger. So when you enable these buttons, the triggers will pop up, as you can see, and on the master trigger for this one we can set shutter, and the down trigger we can set shutter countdown. So take a look right now. And the bottom, it's set up on the shutter countdown. Okay, let's lock triggers. Let's go back. We can find also option called focus and shot. So simply when we click on the screen, just like that, and then tap on it another time, we can take photo. So if you cannot reach your shutter, you can enable this option and take photo by tapping simply on the screen. When you go here, we can find the feature layout. So simply we can change position of our modes. In this option we can also change camera modes from the more tab or go for the more panel. Here we got the color of captions and activate options, and also we can change the shutter sound. I don't like this option. I just turn off the shutter sound. I don't like it. And also let's make it right now. We can also save location info. So when you enable this option and then enable location on your smartphone, when you take photo or take video, in the details you will find the exact location where the photo was taken. As you can see, it appears in this place. Okay, we can also take fingerprint shutter. So in this smartphone we can find fingerprint in this place, and when we enable this option, take a look. When I touch fingerprint, I will take photo, as you can see. Okay, and that's all from the best feature that we can find in the settings. The next option, and when you're in the photo mode and then click to catch focus, you can also change brightness level by moving this icon. So you don't even have to use Pro mode if you only want to change brightness level on your photos. When you tap right here, we can also change aspect ratio quickly. Of course, I recommend you stay with 3:4 because here we can find the best resolution. Here we can also add the timer, So when you set up on the 3 seconds and then tap on the shutter button, the photo will be taken after a few seconds. We can also, let's go back to the normal settings, we can also show the grid lines. So as you can see right now, this help grid lines appears on the screen, and if you want to put something in the middle on your photo, just like that, it will be definitely much easier. And basically here we can also add filters to our photo. Take a look. So you don't have to connect any external application to your smartphone, you don't have to download any external stuff from the Play Store or from any other external sources. You can use these modes right here. And also we got beauty mode. And the video mode, we can do the same with brightness level. Here we can also find Pro mode, where we can change a few options like white balance, shutter speed, ISO, EV. We can change lens, and here you can also get here we got also the description of every option that you can find here. And when we are going for the more modes, we can find, for example, 48 megapixel mode. And take a look on the difference. I'm going to take photo of this logo, and then I'm going to take the same photo without that logo. I mean without that 48 megapixel mode. So take a look on the difference. There's the photo taken with the normal mode. The photo looks like that. It's sharp. We can zoom very close. Take a look on the second one. As you can see, we can zoom a little bit closer, and we got more details on that photo. And I think that's all. So that's all tricks that you can use if you have this smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.